10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Environmental conditions appear only marked. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This test is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, unless there is severe weather in the area, in which case the test is postponed until Thursday. Again, this is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. The tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. Active systems. The Weather Prediction Center is issuing advisories on post-tropical cyclone Beryl, located inland near the Indiana-Ohio border. Off the southeastern United States coast, a broad trough of low pressure located off the southeastern United States coast is currently producing some disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions appear only marginally favorable for some additional development of this system over the next couple of days before it moves inland over the southeastern.
There you have it. They manualed.
This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio. The preceding signal was a test of this weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous conditions. The station you are listening to, and the counties we alarm for, are listed in a statement at the top of each hour. Your weather synopsis for South Central Texas.
Yeah. So that was, I believe, this week's and last week's test.